In today's video, I'm gonna be demonstrating a special little gadget for measurement of the actual power into the actual microwave. It looks like a piece of tubing, but it is a special piece of tubing with a special electronics inside in order to pick up the microwave waves within the microwave oven, and then light up the actual lights and show you that it is sort of distributed evenly across the actual cavity of the actual microwave. Now, obviously, I cannot switch on the microwave on its own. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, okay, this is just a demo microwave, okay. Let me just put it, say, on the side somewhere, okay. Let me just do this, okay. There we go. And then the actual special gadget instrument, as I said, that's one of the instruments that we make for microwaves. We make also a microwave leakage tester, which is used to measure the leakage, by the door, is it dangerous for the human, etc., etc. So now let's go back to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to position this over here, and then we will close the door, okay, and then we will switch on the microwave. Let me just 1, 2, 2, 3, okay, and now I switch on. Now watch what happens with the actual light. Okay, you can actually see it, and you can see it, all 3 lights are lighting up, which indicates that within the cavity of the actual microwave, okay, you can see it over there, you can see it beautifully, okay. Within the actual cavity of the of the microwave inside, the power is distributed evenly, 360 degrees upward in, and that is a very, very quick sort of test for anybody without any prior knowledge of what it does and how it does or how does it function. You just put it in there and then watch that all 3 lights light up eventually. And if they do more or less around the circle, that would indicate that the power is equally distributed within the microwave. Okay, on that note, I've just demonstrated. Okay, let me open it up now. All right, let me see. Okay, now I'm just taking the water. Yeah, water is quite hot. The cup is hot. Okay, and basically, although it looks like a very sort of simple device, it is a complex in the operation. What it does, it actually picks up the microwave, which is microwave waves, which are somewhere around between 2.4 to 2.7 gigahertz upward, it depends on the microwave. And then, as I said, it lights up 3 lights. And that is more or less, if you look at it over there, that is more or less half the length of the actual cavity inside, where it actually microwave cooks. So basically, on that note, I have just demonstrated a new sort of instrument besides to our microwave leak detector that we actually also make. We have increased the range in the instruments used for sort of a quick test on the microwave, whether it does cook, and does it have the power, does it distribute the power evenly, and does it cook evenly all around. Okay, on that note, thank you for watching the video, and happy cooking and microwaving. Thank you.